followed you. You should have known he would.
Did he find out anything?
I'm not sure. I don't think so.
Well, then stop worrying. We've got other troubles. Cue Ball won't give up the diamonds until he gets his 10,000. And Simon Little wants to pull out of the deal.
Simon wants to pull out? Excellent, excellent. Well, that's hardly something to worry about, my dear. We split only 2 ways now.
But who'll cut the stones for us?
Why have other contacts?
How life continually disappoints us. This is not the invaluable object I presumed, but a mediocre copy.
Are you sure, sir?
Quite positive? Or return it to the obscurity it deserves.
Yes, sir.
I am a recognized antiquary, fully capable of differentiating between the inspired original and a clumsy counterfeit.
Good afternoon, Miss Clyde.
Good afternoon.
And I'll have the candlesticks delivered.
Oh, thank you very much.
Then suddenly a very, very exciting thing happened. Just as I was trying to overhear what they were saying in there, the door opened and Miss Clyde came out.
With the candlesticks?
No, Priceless said he would send them to her. Then the wench left.
Yes, sir?
Steve, get hold of Patton and tell him I want to see him right away.
Right, Chief.
Thanks, Vitamin. You've been a big help.
Oh, it was nothing, old boy, nothing. Ah, I made a little purchase while there. A garter.
A garter?
Mm-hmm. It has quite a history, old boy. Quite a history. What a pity. Why do the young have all the youth?
Shoelaces, pencil, chewing gum. Shoelaces, pencil, chewing gum. Shoelaces, Lister.
No, thank you.
But listen, I got
I
to...
told you I know one thing. Will you please get out of my way?
But I got razor blades, too. Needles, cue ball, chewing gum.
What did you say?
Cue ball. He'll be waiting for you tonight at the Roofing Dagger.
What time? When?
Now, right away in Flora's private office. Bless you, sir. $1.
Come on, Pat, let's go. I'm going in, Pat. You cover the back way. Stop anyone who tries to get out.